each and every day. When I
Igbos have produced some of the best literary minds the world has ever seen. From the first Igbo novel, Omenoko, published in 1933 by Peter Nwana, to later Igbo novels like Alabingo and Eleliana Ihomere by D.N. Achara, we've always had beautiful Igbo writings. Chinua Achebe broke continental boundaries with Things Fall Apart and also founded the prestigious African Writers series. He had contemporaries like Elechi Amadi, T.M. Aluko, Cyprian Ekwensi, Christopher Kibo, Flora Nwapa, Buchie Mecheta, Donatus Ngoga, and Chukwuemeka Ike, among others. Recently, we have had Ben Okri, Chimamanda Adichie, Nnedi Okorafor, Chika Onigwe, Uzodinma Iweala, and many others have excelled all over the world. Going forward, I would like to see more works that document the history, culture, and tradition of the Igbo people so that future generations will have even more access to it. My name is Chile Agunana. Let's make progress. Thank you.
sing along to whether money don't come again, bracket today, yes.